In today's video, I'll show you how to enable notifications in Typeform step by step. If you want to get alerts every time someone submits your form, this is a very useful feature for staying updated in real time. First, open your Typeform account and go to your workspace. Then, open the form where you want to enable notifications. Once you're inside the form builder, click on the Connect or Notifications section in the Settings menu. Now you'll see different notification options depending on your setup. The most common option is email notifications, which send you an alert every time a new response is submitted. Turn on email notifications and enter the email address where you want to receive alerts. You can also add multiple emails if you want your team to stay updated. Next, customize the notification details. You can choose whether to receive full responses or just a summary. Full responses are useful if you want complete information instantly. After that, save your settings and test it by submitting a sample response per your form. You should receive a notification shortly after submission. If you don't see it, check your spam folder or confirm that notifications are enabled correctly. For more advanced workflows, you can also connect Typeform with tools like Zapier to send notifications to apps like Slack, email marketing tools, or project management systems. This is especially useful for businesses that want instant alerts for new leads or customer inquiries. Before finishing, make sure your form is published and active, otherwise notifications will not trigger. And that's it! You've successfully enabled notifications in Typeform and can now stay updated with every new response in real time. And that's how you enable notifications in Typeform. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.